Step into the Ford 2002 F-150 Lariat. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include Class 3 trailer towing group, order code 508A, 4x4 electric shift on the fly, 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM stereo WCD and clock, CD player, radio data system and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.